Today we will continue on the Group A M3, and we already put most of the livery on this side, but the other side is still missing the side skirt, so we're going to put that one on now so we can finish the lower section of the livery on that side, and then we are going to see what else we can do or fit to the car. It's been a long time since I did the other side. Very nice. So the side skirt is held on by these, still the broken finger. It's held on by the original tabs that clamp behind the metal. There's a specific name for it, but I don't know right now. And then you have 6 clamps along the whole side skirt, and then there's 2 bolts here, 2 bolts on the front, or 1, and then you put 2 rivets in here, and then it's fixed.
Oh, I think I got glass fiber in my eye. Don't know if that's healthy or not. Don't think so. Come on, mate.
So this car, or the original we are copying the livery from, is a British touring car, challenge car that was raced by Roland Ratzenberger, who unfortunately passed away on the same race weekend as Ayrton Senna. And the car was run by Alan Minshaw, who's representing the other side of the name sticker, who has unfortunately also passed away. And the original car is now owned by his son, Jason Minshaw, who was so kind. I posted a picture from this car on Facebook and saying that the car was gonna get a BTCC livery, and he commented on it saying it's the wrong color. I was like, fuck, this guy is really pissed or mad that we are building not like a replica from their livery. Well, it turns out Jason is actually a really nice guy, and he gave me his graphics guy and all the contacts to his, and they were able to supply me with all the logos, and essentially they ended up printing all the stickers for it. So I got the whole livery from the same guy that did it on the original car. You know what I always wondered? Have you seen that on Instagram? That the women racing in like GT3. I've seen one particular one, she was racing in like a McLaren GT3 car. And it said OnlyFans on the car and on the suit. Is that being sponsored by OnlyFans, or is she doing OnlyFans to sponsor herself? And that way just promoting her OnlyFans, or is she actually promoting OnlyFans and getting money from them for not being naked but for racing? So giving you guys a quick rundown on what the car actually is. This is an original M3 shell which has been converted into full Group A 89 spec. Like for example, where the rollers are right now, this is where usually the air jacks go. We have a full cage, obviously the car covers inside and the rest of the stickers, even though most of the liveries on the spare stickers are still in there. In the trunk, obviously the rear diff is connected to the roll cage, and then there will be a 110-liter tank in the back which basically covers up the whole trunk, and then you will have 2 filler necks, which one works as a breather and one works as the filler neck, so you can quick fill these for endurance races. Very special part. Pop-out windows to keep the hot air from the cabin or getting it out. The small mirrors also Group A. Then since this is 89 spec, we are allowed to run the Cecotto front lip. We would be allowed to run the rear lip of the Cecotto, which is a little gurney flap underneath the main spoiler, but I don't really like the look of it. That's about it. I already have some suspension bits, but gonna order some more so I can at least put the front subframe and the front control arms in, or maybe the steering rack. I have the steering column, so maybe I can have a steering wheel and maybe a seat in it by 2026 or by the end of the year. So on New Year's Eve I can have a sit inside and play a little bit.